Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Let's take a look at the indexes. There was some really nice moves this morning with CPI, pretty volatile, pretty crazy. But then we had some nice up and some nice down, depending on what you were trading. This is the Dow futures. We did make it above that standard line, so that's good news. The stock market just closed 2 minutes ago, so we are still currently pushing higher. We'll see where we end up for the day. But overall, looking really solid. The NASDAQ spinning top, but it had a little bit of recovery at the end of the day. And we just have to kind of get to that cloud and then through that cloud, although that's a big, thick cloud right there. So we'll see how long that takes, but not terrible. The Russell, on the other hand, you know how these days they give kids a participation prize even if they didn't win? This is the Russell today. It gets a participation prize because it had some pretty good moves all the way up to here and then just could not sustain it, dropped back below the turning line and real close to the cloud. So we'll see what happens down there. S&P looks pretty decent. In addition, flip the parabolic SAR on the daily. So if it can just work its way through this cloud, depending on how conservative or aggressive you are, that might be a nice long coming up. So pay attention to that. Make sure to watch. Quick reminder that the Apex 80% off sale does end tonight. That's midnight Eastern time zone. Now, here's how Apex works. If you miss it, like no big thing. But if you're like me, you want to get in when the getting's good. So they will have another sale. They always do. So all of you should never, ever, ever pay full price for these things ever. There's a link and coupon code for you down below. That coupon code, regardless of when you're watching this video, will always give you the best deal that they are currently offering. But like I've been talking about, I really like those $40 bigger size accounts because it just gives you so much more room in your trailing threshold to trade. So you're much less likely to screw it up, or at least to screw it up so quickly as you might do on a smaller account. So once again, that ends tonight. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.